Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can clear up a space, clean up storage on your Capcut, a web browser version. Let's start by open your browser and open Capcut. Make sure you already sign in, or if you don't have the account, you can try to create first. You can register first. After that, you can open the capcut.com and go directly into your account. So here, space expanded to 5 GB. Congratulations, your space storage has been expanded to 5 GB, and so on. This is the notification. And in order to clear up some space, this one, the spaces option, click your profile, and here we go. I got 5 GB of storage for lifetime, and in order to create or clear up, you can click on your project, 3 dots at the bottom of your project, and click move to trash. So this file can be found in trash for 30 days. You can confirm, then you can click trash. Again, you can click 3 dots at the bottom of your project and click delete. So the file will be deleted permanently and cannot be restored. Confirm, and done. You can clear up some space by deleting one of your project. If you have some projects, more than 10 for example, you can try delete your old project in order to give some space, add some space again for your newer project. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.